All right, all right. Why need to on these lights? Okay. All right, guys. So, uh, okay, guys. Welcome back to this live session. I'm sorry I'm coming late today. I had very busy day. Had other things to attend to. Had different things I had to attend to. So it took my attention, and I've not really been on my chat. Not really been on my chat. So I'm really sorry for coming late. You guys deserve the apology. So I'm saying sorry for standing you guys up and coming late. Wasn't my intention at all. If you even see my face, you would know that I'm stressed. And well, it's all good. It's okay. Okay. So quick one. Man, thanks, man. I can see your comments, man. I can see your comments. Thanks. All right, so quick one. We're not doing anything much today because the market has been a little bit choppy. And as you guys already know, when it's time for what's the name? NFP, the market is always like this. You see the market go up, come back down, go back up, trying to build liquidity so that it will finish people's career and send them back into the village, right? So the market has just been doing what it's doing. And I just tried to call out this trade on the VIP. This is 1:7, but we closed at 1:4 or 5. I can't remember. I told them to close because I was not going to be active. So, but now it just hit our TP in the VIP. We closed around, let's say 1:4, 1:5, thereabout. I can't remember. So, what do we want? What are we going to do today? Very easy. We'll see what I can analyze. You guys can send in the pairs you want me to analyze. So I'll quickly analyze it. And also, I want to quickly touch on sessions if time permits, right? If time permits. Gold. Gold has been bullish. I'll check gold again. Gold has been bullish. I just saw your message, your message in the chat box. Gold. Fine. We'll analyze gold. Okay, let's quickly go to gold. Let's see. Pick one. That's CHF, okay? So for gold, oh, I missed it already because I wanted buying around this area. I was about buying around this area. I said I'm going to chill for a bit because I saw some high impact news that made me say, okay, I'm going to just chill for a bit. And let me see if the news will just spike down for a bit, then I'll ride it up. But I missed this trade. So on gold, gold is still going to go bullish at some point. Now, since gold has given us a retracement around here like this, and we'll look to see gold come into this region, around this region, guess what? Before it continues going downward. Before it continues going downward on gold, yeah. Let's see. Let's go to the monthly first, the weekly. You guys can remember from last week, I've been saying gold. I want to see gold drop to this point for a bit and continue buying, which it did. I posted the before and after on the free channel, which it did. Although I didn't really trade it, so there was no point posting what I really didn't trade. So on the weekly, we can still see that the momentum is still high on gold. We can still see that the momentum is still high on gold. But now, reason for gold pumping this much is just because of the whole war going around, the whole thing, everything going on around the world. So people are looking for safe haven. Like I always say, I said it in most of my live sessions, explaining why gold is pumping. Because I keep getting messages, why is gold pumping? Are we bearish now? Are we this now? So at around any of this region, you can see on the daily time frame, you see this supply zone on the daily time, on the daily, right? We can see that, okay, gold has gotten to that place. And trust me, since it has gotten to this place on the daily, it will reject for a bit, come back down. If the momentum is high, it can continue. But in my opinion, right? In my opinion, I want to see rejections around this place. So meaning now we've gotten a retracement like this to this point, and I want to see another one like this come up to this point, sweeping out liquidity here, and now selling off for a bit. So now if we sell off for a bit to, let's say, around this region, then either we'll gain more power to pump to the upside. Now, reason because the market doesn't move in one direction. So that's why I'm expecting pullbacks from around this zone. From around this zone, I'm expecting pullbacks. Now you see that the market here, if you using this trend line, it's still saying it's bullish. It's still saying it's bullish. It's still saying it's bullish. But then me personally, I want to see markets just go into this place, this supply zone, reach out to this supply zone, get into this supply zone very well before it goes back down to sweep out liquidity, right? Before it sinks back down to sweep out liquidity. That's why I feel, that's why I want to see in the market. But right now, I'm not saying anybody should trade it because NFP is coming up on Friday. That's this week. So anything, we'll just be expecting a lot of what we call manipulation, what the smaller boys in this market, which those ones that trade, let's say $5K, $10K, 1,000, even down to probably 1 million. Yeah. You see them. In fact, around this point, I want to see a pullback. I want to see pullbacks, right? I want to see pullbacks. So on gold, I won't say anybody should trade it because of NFP. Liquidity is building. Liquidity is building. So I won't say anybody should actually trade gold right now. Are you guys following me? If you are you guys following me? Please, if you're following me, just indicate it in the chat box so I'll be sure my sound is okay and everything is perfect. Okay, perfect. All right, so all right, I can see. Yeah, Echo is active, man. Echo is really active. Just that stress want to finish Echo, but yeah, Echo is always active. Echo is always active. So, like I said, for those that just joined, I said I'm still short time. I'm bullish on gold. Long term, I'm bearish. For this week, I want to just see this and this sell off. I want to see it go into this region very well, then sell off. In my opinion, on the 15 minutes time frame, I don't see any opportunity. Now, this trade here, we missed it, and this other one, I didn't take this trade, but I was on the live session. Was it on Friday or so? This trade played out. So we missed this one, entered this one, but I didn't take the trade personally. I didn't take this trade personally, right? So on gold, this is it. Now, if you look at it on the lower time frame, if you draw your trend line now, you see that it's looking a little bit bearish. It got to this point and he rejected and is doing his thing, obviously, right? And gold is obviously doing this thing around this region. Like, so now, if you guys remember what I taught you guys about break and retest, now gold got to this place. I told you, you will see a momentum candle, which is also called a Morabozu or a momentum candle as it is, as it sounds, right? You saw that the market, you saw that price just came up here, rejected, gave an impulse, then boom, came back up here. What now happened? It rejected again back into this zone and is going back up. If you take it to the 5 minutes time frame, we can still see that gold has tendencies of still going back up to sweep out all these guys that are already selling, because I am not the only person that have obviously seen that there's a supply zone here. So people have seen it and thought that, okay, because of the supply zone, gold is going to start dropping because of this supply zone, because it's a very strong supply zone. And now all those guys selling off from this point will be using them for liquidity. So in other words, for those that are swing traders, that will start swinging this trade from, let's say, around here, risking about, let's say, swing traders or day trader, day traders, they put about, let's just say 90 pips, and they want to get at least 1:3, right? Or let's just say 1:2, somewhere around there. Guess what? Around this point, most of them will take partial around this point and move their stop loss to break even. So gold wants to take out their liquidity because all their stop losses must be taken out. Right? That's what I want to see. I'm not taking any trade right now. You guys can see I just chilled. You can see how calm I am. Even when we had a loss today, you guys saw how chilled I was. I was just calm. So at this point, I'm not expecting to do anything right now. If I see opportunity, I'll do more of buys. So now let's look at it very well. We can see that the market has given us, let's say, has given us a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low, right? Higher high, higher low, equal, low, yet another equal here, and the high. Now I'll explain this thing that just happened here. Let me take it off again. Let me take this off. So now gold was bearish from here, came back up here, came back, gave us what? A break of what? Or rather a change of character, short term, right? This is short term move. Gave us a change of character short term. Now, these are my confluence I'm trying to explain to you guys right now. So you see that trading for me, I just try to make trading very simple without a lot of complications. We don't need to complicate things. Let's see the market how it is. So, and these are the things I teach my people in my mentorship, and I like them to see and read the market just the way it is. And that's what I also want everybody, by God's grace, on my channel, every member of Trade by Edge, to see the market the way it is and read the market at institutional level. So back to what I was saying. Now, the market has given us a change of character here because it went from bearish into bullish, came back here, a higher low, equal. Let's draw the equal now, right? I'll give it, this will be our equal. This will be my equal high, a low at this point, right? Still another equal low. Now, you don't get to see this kind of thing every day. So I'm just spotting out what I saw already. An equal low, right? Now it has gone up again. Now giving us a complete break of structure. Here, gave us a break of structure. And now came back down, right? So what we'll be expecting right now is more bullish leg to sweep out these guys, their stop losses, using them as liquidity. Confluence number one, a change of character. You've seen that market has changed direction at some point. So personally, what do I want to do? As the market is around this region, I want to see the market push up like this, right, for a bit. Push up for a bit, come back down here, right, then continue. As easy as that. Then continue. Push up a bit, come back down, continue. This is what I want to see in the market. This is what I want to see on gold. I don't know if you guys, are you guys following? Are you guys following? If you have questions, please feel free to ask. If you have questions, feel free to ask. If you're understanding, or if you understood what I just said, or what I'm explaining, or what I just taught right now, please indicate in the chat box that you're following. I'm seeing, I just asked question. I said, if you guys are following, you people are right. It's a prince of FX. Man, thanks. So, okay, quick one. We're going back to Sanko. You said you don't understand. Ask your question. What don't you understand? So that we'll quickly jump into the next one. We're already late, so I want to just quickly rush up. And can you guys see what the market is just doing now? It's playing out just like that. It's playing team bomb. You get. So Sanko, ask your question in the chat box, please. Ask your question. So I'll just jump right into it and move on to the next one. And for those people that still have questions, you can feel free to ask your questions. Feel free to ask your questions. Okay. Is it good to buy gold now? No. If you buy gold now, where will you put your stop loss? It will be too wide for you to buy gold. It will be too wide for you to buy gold. In my opinion, leave gold alone now. Gold is angry. Gold is ready, is already buying tickets to send people to the village. And guess what? It's almost evening, it's almost night. Gold will put you first thing, night bus, first, it will book you first seat, night bus to the village, straight up. Straight up. So leave gold for now. Leave gold for now. It will okay. see, you guys see as I'm just laughing. I said me, I'm not taking this trade. I'm chilling. In fact, today I even hit stop loss, and a lot of you will be like, if I tell you people we hit 4 pip stop loss, you guys will think 4 pip stop loss for me is just maybe just 1 beans. I purposely posted that stop loss so you guys will see it and know that okay, come, this is what it is. I will not always post my wins. If I have the ability to post my wins always, then I should have the ability to post my losses. That's my rule. So that was why I posted that loss today, not because the loss was paining me or anything. No. Now, did he pay me? Yeah, at some point I felt bad, but guess what? It's the market. All the times I've been winning for like 6 months, guess what? The market was also crying. Now people money they go. So about gold, I'll tell you, leave gold alone, because if imagine you want to buy gold at this point right now, imagine, right? Imagine you want to buy gold at this point. To put your stop, only this one, like only this pips like this is about 31 pips. About 31 pips. So imagine you want to now be on the safe side and put your stop loss here. This is 56 pips. If you want to now kill the whole thing, put your stop loss here to target what? I am not those signal providers that will tell you 200 pips stop loss and 10 pips profit. So if one spike like this, you're hearing, yes, we killed the market. How many risks to reward? It's not about pips. How many risks to reward? Man, no problem. You're welcome, man. You've learned a lot from the meeting. I wish to join your team one day. Don't worry, it's a matter of time. The team is I wanted saying the team is open to everybody, but truly it's not open to everybody, but it's just for a few people. I don't want everybody to be everywhere to be crowded, but very soon I'll open it. Let it be. I'll give entry to almost anybody that is really serious and ready. So back to what I was saying. I'm saying leave gold for now. Leave gold for now. If you even check it on the lower time frame, you can see gold is trying to, that's created an equal again. Now, those that used to do chart pattern, now we say, guess what? 1, 2, 3, bagam. Are you guys seeing? So leave gold for now. Leave gold for now. Tendencies of gold reaching down to this point, you get. Tendencies are there. So for now, say we would stop the team. I too love you guys, man. I'm back to what I was saying. So yeah, what are we looking out for again? CADCHF. Let's see if we even have opportunity to trade on that guy. CADCHF, right? CADCHF. So okay, I want to start from the weekly as usual. Start from the weekly as usual. Okay. So let's see. Euro AUD. Okay, I'll analyze Euro AUD. Let's go with CADCHF first, please, because I'm doing it turn by turn. So, okay. CADCHF. This guy also, it has created a weekly low here. I took out the highs, very well. In fact, it took out the highs well. So, in my opinion, let me take out this now, right? Okay, or let me just come in. So if we say this is the new high, this guy has tendencies of going lower. Let me hear you say, let me see you go low, 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 let me see you go low, low, low. That's what I'm just hearing of this guy right now. he's singing King Daniel's song. So CADCHF. Let me take out this guy. Now you guys can see, see what I analyzed here. I was like, I expect liquidity from this region to be taken out around this region. And trust me, liquidity has been what? Can you guys see it has been taken out already? Right? I'll answer your question, Sanko, about Owanda and FXCM. I'll answer your question. Let me just get done with this analysis, right? So on the weekly, we can see that this guy is heavily bearish. So I want to see this weekly low being taken out. Let's go to the daily. Now, the daily, if you look at it, it's just been ranging. From here to here, it's been ranging. It's been ranging, it's been ranging, it's been ranging. Right? On the daily, it's been ranging. Can you guys still see my screen? If you even look at it on the 4 hours, look at it from the 4 hours, you see it clearly. You see, okay, perfect. I want to be sure you guys can see my screen. Okay, let's see. Is my screen still? Is it still? Is it idle? So okay, where's that? Okay. On the daily, you see that it's still ranging. So a ranging market is a market you want to avoid. Trust me, if you are not a scalper. If you are not a scalper, avoid a ranging market. It's sweet to trade until it hold you where you cannot escape. Because they'll tell you, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. You are thinking you want to sell. Now, sell what? Boom, that's gone up. Straight up, first flight on Onitsha Bridge or Asaba. So at this point, you guys want to avoid. At this point, trust me, you guys want to avoid this guy. You guys really want to avoid this CADCHF for now because it's ranging. Now, market has 3 phases, or let me just 2 major phases, but there are 3: a bullish, a ranging market, and the consolidating market, a moving market rather. So market is moving or is ranging. Now at this point is in a ranging phase. So it's going to give you what we call either the 3 boxes, meaning box number 1, this is either, let's say, bearish, right? Let's take this one as bearish, right? Box number 2, ranging. This is another snippet I'm giving to you people all for free. I'm here scattering markets for people in this industry. So now this is a ranging market, and the box number 3 would be a bullish market. Here's scattering market for people. Those that want to just You pay for cost finish. They will not give you what you want. We're here to scatter their market. So these are the 3 boxes. Normally, this is not how they look like, yeah. But I'll use this as an example. I've posted this thing before on the channel. So now, say you that daddy now. So now, take for instance, this is what we get. This is what you see in the market like this. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, right? You're seeing it go like this. You're seeing it go like this. Now, the market is going. Are you seeing? I mean, so most cases, market will sweep out this guy here to sweep out liquidity, come back up. This is how the market moves most times. Ranging market be like lift to hell. Man, Echo is active. Yeah, guys. So this is what you get most times. You see in the market, basically. This is what you just see in the market most times. Let me take a screenshot so you guys, I can post it for those that will miss it as usual. I want to carry everybody along in as much as it's tiring, or we move. So now you guys have seen that this market did what? Came down, ranged. Now, this market is bearish. I want to see it do what? Take out this low, this weekly low. So if it takes it out, right, come back up for a bit before you either choose to continue. So we have impulse, correction, continuation. So most times it comes like this. I'm giving you guys too much, but no wala. Comes like this. Impulse, correction, continuation. All right. I'll end this one for I'll end it. I'll end this one for you guys here for now. Let me not go and give too much. Let me not go and give too much now. Before one of my mentees will read this thing, I watch this video now and come and ask me, sir, is it that you don't like us again? My mentees can be funny. But you won't blame them because obviously they paid for it. So yeah, on this market, we he said these are not rich to make me millionaire. So now, like this, I want to see more bearish this thing here. So most likely this market, I'm feeling that this market as is ranging like this, it might want to just avoid this market for now. Avoid it. Avoid it. Avoid it. Avoid this market for now, right? Avoid this market for now. It will do you guys so much good. To do you guys so much good. If we go to the weekly, the 15 minutes time frame, go to the 15 minutes time frame right now. What can we do on the 15 minutes? Let's see what we can do. Obviously, we'll get more of sales on this guy on the 15 minutes time frame. Obviously, we'll get more of sales because we'll get, let's see, this is the 15 minutes, right? Which of my screens can you see, please? Wait, can you see what I'm doing on my screen? Or have I switched screen again? Is the screen static or you can see what I'm doing on my screen? Okay, okay. Is my mouse moving on the screen? Is the mouse moving on the screen? Or I've switched my screen. So okay, the mouse is moving on the screen, yeah? Is it still moving? Oh, sorry. Okay, I switched my screen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me come back. Okay. So we're going to quickly just see what we can do with this guy. But this guy is not going to give us good risks to reward. Actually, it's not going to give us good risks to reward. We have less than, let's just say, few minutes. So let's jump on this guy. If you look at it on the lower time frame, that's the 15 minutes, you can see that the market has given us, after it gave us this high, came back here, change of character, as usual, has been spotted ASAP. Now, this is not my trading strategy. This is not my trading strategy. I have my own trading strategy, but this thing with this pattern in this market, I tell you, you will milk this market crazy. So change of character, right? And now what do I expect? Now the market has given us this to sweep out this liquidity here, right? Now I want to see this thing. After this market has given us this, I want to see the market come towards around, let's say 6.5 to, let's say 6.5, around this region. Let's just say this region, yeah, 6.5, yeah, this region before it continues to the downside. So quick one. Now where are we going to put our stop loss? Like I said, this market is going to give us very little. The risk to reward will not be much. The risk to reward will not be much, and I really don't like to trade any pair that is not going to give me better risk to reward. You get? I wouldn't want to trade any pair that won't give me good risk to reward. I won't want to trade any pair that won't give me good risk to reward. So we can risk about 15 pips on this. Right? We can risk about 15 pips on this. So in other words, we'd say if we put this like this, let me take it down to this 5 minutes guy. So we'll take it down to this guy ASAP. Let me just quickly rush this thing so that you guys will understand what I'm saying. So you put your stop loss around anywhere around here and entry around here. So this is a free trade I'm going to call. Now, confluence number 2. It has given us change of character. Confluence number 2, you can see it's downward. Lower low, lower high, lower low. It wants to give us another lower high before a lower low. So put entry should be around 0.65220 and stop loss should be around 0.15 pip stop loss. Guys, I'm giving out this trade. I'm not taking this trade, but I might take this trade later on, but I want to quickly rush up on something. So I'm giving out this trade for free. Short term, we are bearish on this guy to sweep out all these guys around here, to sweep out and come towards this place. So if you can just take this trade right now, if you can take, okay, I'll call out this trade. I'll call out this trade now. I'll call it out on the channel. So guys, we've come to the end of today's live session. I have a meeting. I have another meeting to jump on right now. So that's why I'm a little bit hasty. So I want to give a shout out as usual. This live session will not be complete if I didn't give a shout out, if I don't give a shout out. So guys, quick one on Oanda and FX. Now, the whole difference is on Oanda, I like using Oanda because of the spread. They give me the accurate spread for my, to calculate my spread for my own broker. So that's why I like using Oanda, and it's just easy. You get no much difference. The other one comes with, it's a little bit slow. So this one works with the actual time. So quick shout out to Rando FX, Prince Will, Sanko FX, KG, Omo FX full this place. So Favor Young, Noble, everybody on this that joined this live session, both the ones that joined and left, both the ones I can't call their names because probably I can't pronounce it. I want to give a very big shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for joining this live session. I am super, super grateful, and I'll always be grateful that whenever I call out, send out links like this, you guys join it. It's not easy. So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for joining. As you already know, Echo is active. Echo is active. So you guys, if you have anything to ask, anything you want to ask, feel free to slide into my DM and ask me questions. I would answer you. My DM is always open to everybody. All right. Even if it's not relating to trading, if it's just psychology, feel free to come and ask me questions. All right. So you guys, see you guys next time. Peace out, guys.